Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to recover or restore the closed tabs in Google Chrome browser. So let's say if you had 4 open tabs in Google Chrome and you accidentally closed it or the browser has crashed and you have lost the tabs. Let's close it and reopen the Google Chrome browser. As you can see, we have lost the tabs. If you want to recover these tabs, right click on this area where the tabs is located, right click and press on reopen closed window, or you can just click on the keyboard Ctrl Shift and T key combo. So press reopen closed window, and as you can see, it has restored all the closed tabs. Okay guys, this is a very simple, straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.